Welcome back. Now, one of the new things in Windows 10 is called File Explorer, and it's really the upgraded version of the Windows Explorer from past operating systems. And so to get access to the File Explorer, all you're going to do is open one of your folders. If you don't have any folders open, what you can do is go all the way over to your Windows icon. You'll click on that Windows icon. You'll then look for the search. You can then type in computer. When you see this link that says this PC, you can click on it. That's going to open up this File Explorer window where you then have access to the File Explorer. You're going to notice that the File Explorer has three menus. It has a File menu, it has a Computer menu, it has a View menu. And when we click on the File menu, you're going to notice that the Open Windows PowerShell is grayed out. And that's because we're in the C menu directory. What we're now going to do is we're going to open up a separate window of the File Explorer. And we're going to do that from our C drive. And we're going to do that by right-clicking this C drive, and then we're going to click Open in a new window. That's going to open up the File Explorer again. And when we go to the File menu, you're going to notice then that we have our Open Windows PowerShell menu. What we're now going to do is we're going to then walk through this process of opening a new window. When we do that, what we're doing is we're opening a new instance of the File Explorer. So we click File, we open a new window, we click Open New Window, and you'll notice then that this is going to be the exact same directory that we're opening. What you're also going to notice in the File menu is we have these frequent places. And you'll notice that some of these frequent places are going to be considered to be permanent. Others are going to be shown according to their use. Now, when you see the push pin and it's horizontal, that means that this is a temporary frequent place according to how many times we're using the folder. If we want that folder always to be there, we can then click on top of the push pin, and then these frequent places will always be there when we open this menu. Going back to the Windows PowerShell, what we're doing when we open the Windows PowerShell is we're opening to the C prompt in case you have to do some operation that requires you to work outside of Windows. And so we can do that by just going to Open Windows PowerShell. That's going to open up this window, and then you'll see the C prompt, which will then be ready for you to place instructions for your operating system. Now, the File menu also has change folder and search options, which we will explore in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.